puppy
Alright, these are
find
the items that
from
came from
Five
Five
and
Below.
Below.
We got a little Cheese Whiz toy. We got him this here, a little Stitch. We got him a Bluey blanket. Got him a little Christmas outfit with the little eye mask that came with it. This is the basket so we can put his little toys in when he's done playing. We got him also this water bowl dispenser machine. A little bowl here for his food. A toy. One of these pet lick mats. Get one of those. Got him one of these so when we're on the go. And we got him a little bed thing. All this has come from Five and Below. And he also got snacks. Now these did not come from Five and Below, but these are snacks for him, little healthy snacks. But yes, that is everything that we got for him from Five and Below.